Today, oh shit.
Cut!
It's a little out of frame there. Well, today we're gonna make some farts.
Guacamole.
Guacamole. Nope, we're gonna make some rosemary guacamole. Just need that much, right? That's a clove? Or that's a whole clove?
That's close.
Okay.
Down there, Dad.
Put that there for right now. Serrano, garlic, 1 clove. Gotta get the skin off it though.
You know how to trick?
Is there a trick to this? You know how to turn tricks, right?
You have to get it. Okay.
Oh, there we go. I usually just get the minced garlic.
It's cheating.
Oh, sometimes you gotta make it easy. Okay, there you go.
Thanks.
Got the garlic, got the serrano.
Rosemary.
Ready to get the rosemary right here. I'm not gonna actually use the whole serrano. I'll use about half. I want to make. What's your favorite Cinco de Mayo memory?
Looking good, Dad.
Got a little guest commentary by the one and only Colby. Thanks, Colbs. We're gonna go ahead and throw in the serrano. And we're gonna break up that garlic, clove,
Really marinated.
go ahead. Extract the nut. Oh. We're gonna do 4 of these avocados for you tonight on the Dale's Tales cooking event. Look at that. That one came right out. I didn't even have to try. Booyah. Say booyah, Dale. After we get this done, we're gonna whip up some salsa for you. That should be fun. What's your favorite Cinco de Mayo memory?
Being on the beach in Cabo. And then going and making this at a cooking class at Flora Farms.
Yeah, this is the Flora Farms recipe. I think we may have too many here.
I don't think so.
You're probably thinking you can never have too much avocado, huh? Seems a little hard. A little harsh. That's a little hard. It's like it's not quite ready yet.
I'm gonna hold off on that one, maybe.
Yeah.
Well, it's a little hard.
I think that one's getting done too. So let's just roll with this. We just kind of mash it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're pretty much there. We gotta let the tomatoes soak before we get them all mixed up. Good. Is that my buzzer? Was that my? Is my time up? Is my time up on guys' grocery games here on my cook time? Okay.
Salt.
Salt it up. Better. All right.
What's a squirt of
The
lime?
only thing it's missing is a couple squirts of lime. Okay, we're good.
We got the. Guacamole is always better the next day.
Apparently it's called blanching, but I'm going to call it putting tomatoes in a pan with some water, cook until they're soft. Then we got to set them aside and let them cool. Our serranos from our first batch. And then we're going to cut up the poblanos. A little bit easier to crush up, I think.
Freestyle beats. You're gonna be at that for a minute.
Yeah, I think a minute would be being generous with that. Let's pound it out.
You're used to that, right?
Huh?
You're used to that, right?
Pounding it out?
Yeah.
For sure. Borderline professional. Probably am. In some states.
Professional?
Yeah. Oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision right here. I wish you guys could smell it. It's
Divine. It's divine.
Dale's Divine Dishes. And we're back. Add a little bit of salt. A little Salt Bay. Ooh, I don't know if we're on the phone for that last one.
Yeah.
Okay, then we're gonna do the onion.
Just a little. That's not Nothing's fine.
We actually have tigers, real live tigers out there. We got them from Carol Baskin. All right, so let's mash in the tomatoes. Throw our onion. Fresh garden salsa. Coming at you live from Dale's Divine Dishes. Thanks for watching.
delicious.
Nope.
Try it.
Not good? It's warm.
Try it.